Hey guys, here is a 52-inch black Hampton Bay Quick Connect ceiling fan. This fan is from August of 2007. This fan I got off of Marketplace yesterday for only $10. And there's a couple reasons why I got this fan. Number one, it is a childhood fan for me. And number two, which is the more real reason why I got it, is because some of you that have been with me for a while might know that my family owns a second house down the street from me that has one of these. And we actually are currently renting that house out to tenants right now. But unfortunately, because the economy might be going down, my family is thinking about selling that house. So if they do, chances are I won't be allowed back in the house, unfortunately, because we might sell it to the people that are renting it right now. It's sad to see the real child fan go, but just like that, I just grabbed one of these on Marketplace while it was cheap because I wanted to have one of these in my collection. So here we are. It's pretty much identical to the one that's in the rental house right now. The one in the rental house is from 2008. I think it's from July of 2008. This one's a year earlier, but yeah, it's pretty much the same exact fan. But anyway, I will demonstrate it. Here's the load. These aren't terrible fans for what they are. They probably would have only sold for about $40 back then when they were sold. But they aren't terrible. They're fairly quiet. They move a decent amount of air for what they are. So you really can't complain too much about them. And obviously, if the rental house, if I am allowed back in it at some point, I will definitely grab the one that's in there and just replace it with a light. And I'll have two of these in my collection, but as of now, I won't be allowed back in the house anytime soon before it gets sold. So we'll see. I'll keep you posted on what happens, but chances are I won't be getting the other one right now. That's about low speed. Here's medium. It's a very quiet fan though. I mean, I'm not hearing anything from it, and it is mounted directly to the beam. This fan is in pretty good shape too. The only issue with it right now is there's a lot of paint on the canopy, but that's no big deal. It's about, just smack the camera off. That looks better. And we'll switch it to high speed. It's going to move a lot of air on high, surprisingly. The blades are kind of sticking up a little bit. I'm not sure what that's from. I know the fan was installed with the other side facing down previously, but you know, it is what it is. Came with the original Hampton Bay pull chain, which is plastic, but it's alright. Not sure the finish of the blades. I think it's like dark cherry or something. The other side's like a some kind of oaky pine finish. I'm not too sure. You can see it was installed with that facing down. Make sure the tag's up there. There it is. But yeah, that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video.